Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ems, a beauty enthusiast, makeup collector and full-time mum. In today's video, I'm going to show you the basic contouring technique using the iconic contouring sculpting palette. If you haven't seen it, this is what it looks like. It's got 6 colours in it to suit different shades of skin. Now I like this because it's a cream, so I find it a lot easier to apply than powder. Now, I am going to use this under my foundation because I find the look a lot more softly softening, and it just gives you that, I don't know, it's just not so harsh, because I find contouring quite harsh, and you can see a lot of like muddiness in a lot of the contour colours. So anyway, that's my preference, and I know a lot of makeup artists do actually use it for that softer look on their clients, so that's what I'm going to do today. As you know, if you watch a lot of my videos, skincare is very important, and you should know that anyway, to look after your skin. It helps make you look younger, your skin hydrated, brightening. You've got to have skincare in your part of your routine. So I have used 2 products that I always use. It's the INKEY list, my favourite brand ever. I use a hyaluronic acid serum and the moisturiser, vitamin B, C and E. They hydrate your skin and just make it look glowy and healthy. And as you can see, I'm quite a little bit older, and my skin has texture to it. There's also pigmentation, and if you look very closely, I have got enlarged pores, which I find horrendous, and I absolutely hate them. So a primer is my best friend. Well, a pore minimizer primer is my best friend. So I've used number 7 Airbrush Away Pore Minimising Primer. I find this quite good, and it does kind of blur and sit in the pores, kind of making them a little bit less cratery. I like to say crater freeze, and it keeps you a little bit softer finish. Okay, so I've done my skincare in preparation for this. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to get my contour. Now the whole point of contouring and sculpting is that it's in the name, it's to sculpt your face. So it's kind of to bring focus into the areas that you like and defocus from the areas that you're not sure of, and that's where you do the shadowing. So to contour your cheeks, you want to shadow underneath them to kind of then make them look more defined. And also if you're around a face, you want to create a look that your face is smaller and slimmer. So you would contour around your face, but I will show you that as we go through. So you've used 2 colours. Your first colour is the light colour. Now you should use that about 2 shades lighter than your actual skin colour. And then the contouring, so that's the brightener, then the contouring wants to be a few shades darker than your skin tone. So I'm going to go and pick my colours. Okay, so this contour, this cream is absolutely lovely. It's quite thick. So what I want to do is I want to brighten my eyes. So I'm going to stick some brightener here and then some brightener there, because we want to brighten this area. Now I also want to brighten this part of my head, because I want to brighten the middle of my face, because that is where I want the focus to be. Therefore creating, hopefully, a slimmer face. And I'm going to stick it round there because I want that area and that area to be the focus. Okay, so then I'm going to take my brush, the same brush, and I'm going to get the darker colour. And I'm going to paint on the darker area around the side of my face. Because I've got a round face, I want to then bring it in slimmer. If you've already got a slim face, you don't need to do this part of your face. I'm also going to do here to bring it all in, and then I'm going to contour under my cheekbone to lift my cheek up, and then I also want to slim my jaw out, so I'm just going to go under the jawbone. Okay, so we look like a bit of a patchwork, don't we? We look like it's like a tribal, isn't it? It's lovely. And then I'm just going to stick a little bit of contour around my nose, the edges of my nose, to maybe make it slimmer. And there we go. That is the basics of the contour and where to put it on a round face, and it's very easy. It's very basic. Now you can obviously add as much or little as you want, and we're going to start blending now. So I'm going to use a flat brush because they're the easiest to use, and I'm going to go in with my light shade and I'm just going to pat it all in, and that is going to brighten that area. You also use the light colour for coverage as well, so that's why you use a light colour in the places that you need the most coverage, because you want to make them appear lighter and brighter and more enhanced. So we're just going to go and blend it all in, and I'm going to blend my jawline in, hopefully creating a bit of a slimmer jawline. And then I'm going to blend that all in, all the darkness, because that is where, and you've got to keep to the line, don't go up and down, because then it's like blurring into your brightener and creating one colour, kind of counteracting it, I suppose. And then right now I look absolutely ridiculous, but I'll show you it does work. Bring the nose, pat, pat, pat. You can see I'm very bright, which is what I want to go for. Okay, and then what we're going to do, once we're kind of happy with that blended, is we're going to take some foundation over the top, and that is just to fuse it all together, because at the moment I look a little bit ridiculous, but the foundation is just going to give it a little bit of a one colour, kind of a colour, and then just kind of soften everything else rather than looking so harsh. So I'm going to use my favourite foundation, which is Makiage, and I've got this in shade 60. And as I say, I'm just going to use the smallest amount because I don't want a whole face of foundation because I've already got this product on, but I just want to make everything blend better. And then we're just going to pat it all in. Make sure my chin is blended in because you don't want a line. I mean, you can always add more if you feel that I haven't used as much product as you want, or it's not looking as shadowy as you want, or as bright. There's no rule to this. It's how you like your makeup. I actually prefer the less makeup. So you can put, if you put it on after foundation, obviously that's more product. There's so much product going on. And I think it's not as natural looking in the light and in daylight. Whereas this, you are just using the contour products with a tiny bit of foundation just to kind of bring it together, really. Doing my eyes because obviously I didn't use product on there. Okay, and there we have the contouring. So you can see the shadow in my cheeks, you can see the brightening of my eyes, the brightening of this part. So basically, the brightening area is all in that middle centre part. So hopefully that's where the focus will be. So therefore, my face should technically, with the shadowing, appear slimmer. I mean, I've got a very round face, so it's very hard to make this look slim. But we try our best, and this is how it's created. Okay, to finish the look, I mean, again, you don't need to wear blusher because you've got bronzer on. But I'm going to use, first of all, forgot, powder. I'm going to put some powder on just to kind of set it. It's quite shiny product actually, that. So I'm just going to set underneath my eyes. Again, it depends what you like. If you like a more matte effect or a glowy effect, then again you use powder which way you want. So that is it powdered over. There's a fly. Ooh, fly in my face. So then I'm going to use my product. Now this, oh, I got this the other day. If you've seen one of my videos, I got it delivered from TikTok, because I have a TikTok account. And I went on the shop and I just, spent some money. Anyway, this is P. Louise, the cheek of it. And it's in Peach of My Heart. Now, it is just unreal. Like, unreal. So, yeah, go and check that out. It's just gorgeous. Okay. Let me just add a little blush. I'm a bit older, so I add it further up my cheeks, because I think I've said it before, if I smile, lots of people smile and then put the product on, whereas they drop quite a lot. So I just resting beep face and just get it on. Okay, there we go. And then you've always got to finish with the brow. Now I'm just using Makeup Academy, MUA Brow Define eyebrow pencil. It's probably blonde actually, or ash brown, because I'm not that dark, as you can tell. Now, I'm not very good at doing my eyebrows this far away from a mirror, so bear with me. Again, I don't really like the thick eyebrows. I mean, they're all right, my eyebrows, but I don't like really defined unless I'm going out. So I just give them a swipe over. I had them tattooed years ago, so they've got the shape there, which is good, but just sometimes, yeah, not the fullness there. So we're getting there. We are getting there. So then to finish the look, I keep saying that, don't I, to finish the look. I haven't finished the look yet. I've got my Huda Beauty lipstick in Rendezvous. It's a Power Bullet. They are, again, my favourite products. Oh my God, I've got them in about six different colours. Oh, this one's broken live on air, guys, live on stream. That's Rendezvous. Oh, it's broken my heart. Now, normally I'll have eyelashes, so as you can see, I haven't got much going on right now, but I'm having my eyelash extensions done tomorrow. So I'm not going to muck around with my eyes. I'm not going to put mascara on because I don't really use mascara a lot, and I want them clear for tomorrow, so there's no product left in there. Even if I do clean my eyelashes, it's still, you know, I don't like wearing it really. And then the last thing, and I mean the last thing now, guys, we have made it, is Urban Decay All Nighter, the best setting spray in the world. Oh my God, please go and buy it. It is just the best. It sets your makeup and it sets it for all day. Give that a little spray and there's our makeup. I mean, that wasn't too hard, was it? I thought that was quite easy. And we're looking shining. We've got our shadow going on, and hopefully you can tell the difference, and hopefully I look a little bit slimmer. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining in, listening in. And if you liked this video, please click like and subscribe, and hopefully you'll get notifications when our next video comes up. And if you want to see any of the behind scenes, I'm on TikTok, I'm on Twitter, I also stream, so I like to put my makeup on before I stream, because then I look good for all the live viewers. But yeah, go and check me out, and thank you so much, and have a good day.